we draw your attention to installation technology of protective fender of Fender Toyota Camry wheel arch. It is necessary to unscrew the standard self-tapping screws of the front left mudguard fastening. Afterwards, it is necessary to dismantle the plastic clips. The second clip, the third clip fixing the standard protection. We dismantle the fourth standard clip. We dismantle the fastener of the anti-lock brake system wire bracket. We take the fender corresponding to the wing arch and place it inside the wheel arch. We tuck in the edges of the fender under the wing guard rim flange. We tuck in its back part under the mudguard. We tighten the standard self-tapping screws. We fix the fender with a standard clip above the mudguard. We tuck in the edge of the fender under the rim wing guard flange. We replace two upper standard clips with the clips delivered in the set. We fix the fender with a second standard clip delivered in the set. We tuck in the edge of the fender under the bumper edge. We fix the fender with a standard clip. We match all fasteners' apertures with the standard apertures. We fix the bracket fastening of the anti-lock brake system wire at its previous place. We tighten the bolt anti-clockwise. We press tightly the fender to the wheel arch and tighten the self-tapping screw delivered in the set. Thus, the protective fender is installed and is ready to protect your car against the sandblasting effect and various chemical agents.